Welcome to Wealth Wisdom. If you have ambitions to achieve financial success, please leave "yes" in the comment, and we are here to help you obtain insight and build wealth. If you're feeling stressed out about credit card debt, you are not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat. But here's the good news: you don't have to stay stuck. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step plan to help you pay off your credit card debt faster, without winning the lottery or eating only instant noodles. You'll learn the strategies the pros use, mistakes to avoid, and even how to speed up your progress using tools you already have. So grab a drink, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Step 1. Get clear on your debt. How much you owe. Which cards you owe it on. What interest rates you're paying. Here's how. Grab a piece of paper or open a spreadsheet. List every credit card you have with current balance, APR, annual percentage rate, minimum monthly payment. Looking at real numbers is uncomfortable, but powerful. Awareness is the first win. Step 2. Pause the bleeding. You cannot pay off your debt if you're still adding to it. So pause all non-essential credit card spending starting now. Hide your cards, delete them from Apple Pay or shopping apps. Use cash or debit for everyday expenses. If an emergency comes up, build a mini emergency fund. We'll talk about that later. It's like trying to drain a bathtub while the faucet's still running. Stop the flow first. Step 3. Choose your payoff strategy. Now that you've stopped the bleeding, let's build your attack plan. There are two main strategies to pay off credit card debt. Option A. The debt avalanche. Focus on the highest interest rate first. Pay minimums on all cards, and throw all extra money at the one with the biggest APR. Saves you the most money over time. Option B. The debt snowball. Focus on the smallest balance first. It's about psychology. You get quick wins, feel motivated, and build momentum. Which is better? If you're motivated by progress and emotion, use the snowball. If you're motivated by numbers and efficiency, go Avalanche. Either way, stick with it. The key is consistency, not perfection. Step 4. Budget and free up cash. Now, let's talk about finding extra money to pay down that debt faster. Start by reviewing your monthly budget. If you don't have one, now's the time. Ask yourself, what expenses can I reduce, pause, or eliminate? Are there subscriptions I don't use? Can I cook more and eat out less? Can I pause shopping for non-essentials for 3 months? Even saving $100 per month means $1,200 a year going toward your debt, plus interest saved. Apps you can use. YNAB, you need a budget. Every dollar. Mint. Step 5. Use the debt ladder. This is where your progress compounds. Let's say you were paying $150 per month to card. Once that's paid off, don't stop. Take that $150 and roll it into your next card's payment. Now you're paying $150 plus your normal minimum. This is called a debt ladder or rolling snowball. It's one of the most powerful tools to pay off debt faster because your payment power grows over time, without needing more income. Step 6. Consider a balance transfer. Warning: this one can help, but only if you're disciplined. If you qualify, a balance transfer credit card with 0% APR for 12 to 18 months can let you pay off your debt interest-free. Pros: pay 100% of your payment toward the principal. Can save hundreds or thousands in interest. Cons: usually has a 3 to 5% transfer fee. If you don't pay it off during the promo, the interest hits hard. You must not use the new card for new spending. Treat it like a tool, not a temptation. Step 7. Increase your income. Cutting costs helps, but earning more accelerates your payoff. Think about freelancing, writing, design, editing, tutoring, driving for Uber or delivering with DoorDash, selling things you don't need on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, asking for extra shifts or a raise at work. Even $200 per month extra equals $2,400 per year. That could clear a credit card entirely. The more you earn, the more you throw at debt, the faster you're free. Step 8. Track progress and stay motivated. Paying off debt takes time, so keep yourself motivated. Here's how. Use a visual tracker. Fill in a bar, chart, or thermometer. Celebrate small wins, like paying off one card. Follow debt-free communities on Reddit, YouTube, or TikTok. Reward yourself, cheaply, after each milestone. And most importantly, don't quit. Debt freedom isn't just about numbers, it's about your peace of mind, your future, and your financial power. You got this. If you follow even half of what we covered today, you'll already be ahead of most people. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge with credit card debt? Which strategy are you going to try, Avalanche or Snowball? If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and share it with someone who needs a little money motivation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.